Hello, good morning guys. Today we are out. It's Sunday and it's a really beautiful day.
Yes, very beautiful day today. And we are very excited today for the vlog because it will be a very special one.
Yes, and we're gonna have some Christmas lights tour in London. And I hope you guys will like it. It's really pretty.
As you guys know, London is one of the best destinations to spend the Christmas. So let us take you around on a tour. Okay guys, we are now in Liverpool Street. This is my daily place where I go to university. But today we're gonna show you around. We're gonna show you every Christmas light in London.
I really miss my university days because after uni I used to come here, eat some food. The best thing I used to have here normally is the falafel wraps. Maybe someday we're gonna show you. It's really beautiful and it's really tasty.
Yeah. So guys, stay with us.
Right guys, so we're gonna take you inside the market of Covent Garden.
I really like the markets here in London. You can find whatever you need, whatever you want.
We've got a variety of things here. Here are the printing blocks. They're really good. What did you find?
Oh, shoes.
Yeah, this place is really good and really busy, and we really want to try out some hats here.
In the Christmas, you always gonna find these trucks who are selling the hats.
Our channel, there are a couple of like videos which we are doing.
Both a very good looking couple, did you know that?
Thank you so much, you're so kind.
They're quite beautiful, the two of you.
Thank you.
I had one.
15.
Thank you.
What about the black one?
My tummy.
Alright John, follow me. So after a long discussion we found out really good hat for her, and just look at her, she's so
Don't I look good?
She does. Right guys, so in Covent Garden when you come you must visit this place, and especially for Christmas and winter time. Is my friend here?
Hey, it's Elliot. I run the beach house in Covent Garden. We're part of the Oysterman restaurant on Henrietta Street, and we're mainly doing a lot of mulled wine and champagne, but it's going really well. The queue's building up, and
you can see around here loads and loads of people, and people do love mulled wine, isn't it?
yeah, mulled wine's our biggest seller. Normally it's oysters, but we're doing a lot of mulled wine, so Thank you so much, guys. Lovely to see you again.
Yesterday was a time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer hills, bound by the surprise of our glory days.
Alright, so that's our ride for today. Hey! Alright, ready to go? Alright guys, now we are in Oxford Street and it's getting really cold here and you will not believe it is really busy. After the Oxford Street, the best place who does the Christmas decoration is the Selfridges. Really good.
Magnificent trees.
Yeah, yalla. One second.
Shihab.
Yeah, that's the sunset. Alright guys, now we are in Newborn Street and it's really beautiful but very noisy around. It's good, it's really good. It makes me sleep.
Yeah. The blue lights.
Blue lights and it's quiet as well.
Yeah. Okay guys, I think our journey it finishes here. سالينا وعيينا الصراحة. حاولنا أننا نصوروا ما قدينا يعني كاع البلايص زوينين وكاع حاجة جديدة هذا العام. حاولنا أننا نصوروها. Right? Do we finish?
Yes, we finished it officially now.
Yeah.
We are really tired. I'm feeling very cold to be honest.
Yeah.
And I'm very hungry.
We are hungry. غنحاولوا أننا نمشيو للدار بكري اليوم. Please guys subscribe just to make it until 1K. We'll appreciate it too much because these things they really take too much time to do and you know for the editing and everything. So please.
It's too much effort.
It's too much
seriously,
effort.
but we love it. We love doing it.
Yeah.
And one more thing. I lost one of my gloves.
I lost one of these gloves, so
you guys really need to subscribe and like it.
so please subscribe, like it, and share with your friends. Make it 1K. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Until the next vlog. Bye bye.